something around there. Somewhere around there. Let go. Let's see what it looks like. That's big. Think it'll hold all the stuff? So there you have it. It's actually finally done, and we do now have plans available on the website, as well as I have a whole second channel where it's how-to, where I talk through all of this, and I'll have a playlist down below. We will have one video coming out not too distant where we do the whole thing rather than just this final finishing step. So look forward to seeing that. And if you want all that, links down below. So I'm really happy with how this came out, having all of the storage and capacity in here. My wife and I have been using this now for a couple weeks, and it has been fantastic. So yeah, if you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, snide remarks, throw those down below. That does help out the channel. Thank you. That is actually really kind of useful. And if you'd like to go even farther though, there are a bunch of names over here. Those are the fantastic, wonderful, benevolent, gorgeous, and beautiful people over on Patreon. Because that patrons or members, people who actually help out this channel, keep the lights on, allow me to be able to do things like this, thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more about that, you know what to do. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Allow me to shed some light on this video.